everybody is doing great, and welcome to yet another session on quadratic equations with me, Shimon sir, for all of you guys at the VJEE Enthuse channel. Hi Aditya, Ashnur, welcome guys, Kirito, Manasa, Omkar, brilliant guys. So yesterday we were unable to continue with our session, so today here I am with the same topic, location of roots for you guys today. Please do attend the drill which will be shared to all of you at the end of today's class. Okay? So shall we get started guys with lecture number 4 on quadratic equations, which is about location of roots. A very important topic, and I'm going to start right from the basics so that each and everybody in this class will be able to follow and will be able to master this topic. So are you all excited? Are you with me here today? Shall we get started? Everybody? Yes? Om Jain, Sanvi, thank you for the amazing response guys. Thank you for being here. So let's get going. Before we get started, I will quickly introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. And I did my BTech from IIT Madras. And when I was like you guys, I too prepared for JEE Mains. I was one of the state toppers. So that is a quick introduction. So I'll be teaching math for you at the JEE Enthuse channel. Not just maths. I want to be a part of your journey. I want to have a very good relationship with everybody. So in case you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me at my personal handle, which is shared over here. You can check it out in the session PDF. Okay. Yes, Shrija. Today we will be looking at location of roots. We will continue with the yesterday's class because yesterday it was cancelled because of unavoidable reason. So let's move forward. So guys, before we start today's session, how many of you are enjoying the channel? How many of you are enjoying Wasim sir's lectures, Shreyas sir's efforts? Amazing way in which they reach out to you. If you guys are enjoying, then show us some love. Definitely like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let people know of this so that we can build our family. We can have a great community, isn't it? That would be awesome. So let's go ahead. I have one small surprise for you. So many of you are asking me, right, sir, what are the plans? Is anything else coming up? So I have one big announcement which will be super important for you. I'm sure you guys are all eagerly waiting to hear what it is. But before that, let's look at the schedule because there's a small change now because of yesterday. So you have location of roots today, that is Friday, and tomorrow we'll have advanced level problem solving. So guys, tomorrow please don't miss it. But before you come to tomorrow's class, make sure you attempt and you go through all the videos of quadratic equation, because without watching those videos you will not be able to solve tomorrow. I will give it in writing. You have to watch all the lectures, only then you will be able to solve tomorrow because it is advanced level problem solving. Okay, so I'll bring some JEE Mains questions, I'll bring some JEE Advanced questions, and we'll have an awesome time together. I'm really excited about it. I don't know about you guys. You let me know down in the comments. Okay. Now coming to the surprise announcement. What is the announcement? What is the request you guys made? You guys told you wanted an English channel and we heard you. We brought it to life. And one more important request many of you are asking. What is that? That is nothing but your logarithms. So are you all excited about this? Many of you are saying that, sir, we don't know about logarithms. Can you help us with it? Can you teach us? Because even for NEET exam, log is very important. So log does not come only in maths. You have to use it in chemistry as well. It makes your calculations easier. You must have seen that your seniors in board exams have used something called as Clark table, isn't it? Clark's tables you have seen. That makes your job easier because log helps you to calculate faster. Some people use logs very effectively. I'm going to teach you all tricks of logarithms in not one class, but 2 classes. Okay, not just one class. We'll have 2 amazing sessions on Sunday with all of you at the V Enthuse channel. It is going to be super duper amazing. Make sure you mark your calendars and we will have fun together. Exactly before the Big Bang. You are right. So now, let's come back to our own topic, which is quadratic equation, and let's get started. Okay. So first of all, I want to start from the basics. So I thought first I'll explain to you guys what is meant by a quadratic function. Because before we go to location of roots, I want you guys to first understand what a root is. I know some of you are aware, but some of you are asking very basic questions. So I thought we will help all of us and we will grow together. Okay. So let's address the basic concepts first of all. So do you guys agree that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 will be a quadratic equation? Do you all understand that? Hi Deepak, welcome man, no problem, you're on time. Which day is the session of logarithms? It is on Sunday at 1 p.m. and 8 p.m. You will be informed, don't worry. Okay? Are you all clear? Do you agree with me? This is a quadratic equation. So can I say this ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic expression? Is a quadratic expression? So do you understand the difference between an expression and an equation? Are you all clear about it now? So now what I'm going to do is I will associate this expression with the function f of x. So this is what I call as a quadratic function. Quadratic function. Are you all clear with it? Nothing great. Nothing great. Now this f of x, I can call it as y. I can call it as y. Now let's take our famous example. What is our famous example? Always for quadratic, it is nothing but x square minus 5x plus 6. So now I will take this as y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Now this, when you plot it, you will get a quadratic graph. So what I will do is, I will plot my x-axis and my y-axis. I will put values for x and y. So when I put x as 0, I will get y as 6. Do you all agree? Do you all agree with me on that? When I put x as 0, I'll get y as 6. So at x equal to 0, this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis. So at x equal to 0, y will be 6. And if x is equal to 1, I will get 1 minus 5 plus 6, which will be 2. So at 1, it will be 2. And at 2, it will be 0 because we know 2 is the root of this. So at 2, it will be 0. So if I draw, the graph will look like this. Are you all able to understand? Yes? Are you all able to follow? So this is what is meant by a quadratic function. So yesterday many of you were asking, sir, why roots should be the points where the graph cuts the x-axis? Because that is the definition of a root. What is the definition of a root? The places where the quadratic polynomial becomes 0. That means where y becomes 0. Where does y become 0? Y becomes 0 on the x-axis. So that is why roots are the points where the graph cuts the x-axis. Are you all clear? Now that is perfectly understood. Brilliant, na? Hi Valmik, welcome man, welcome guys. Yes Ashok, we will do sequence and series later on. So now let's move forward. Now that you guys have understood what roots of a quadratic function is, they're nothing but the values of x. The values of x at which the quadratic function cuts the x-axis. Do you all understand that? Everybody is super clear with this? Because from here, we are going to build to a very, very good level. Hi VSG, thank you man. So let's move forward now. So now coming to today's topic, location of roots. So what do we study here? Why is this topic important? Why does sir keep saying that location of roots is important for advanced? Why is it important for JEE mains? Let me explain it to you. What they'll ask here is, they will ask you questions like this. X square plus kx plus 1. They will give you this quadratic equation or quadratic expression. Okay? They will give you this quadratic expression and they will ask you, find the condition on k such that both my roots are greater than 5. Are you able to understand? Find the condition on k such that my roots are both greater than 5. So how will you do this question? This is under the concept of location of roots. This is what we will be doing. So what I'm going to teach you is how to associate where the roots lie with the coefficients. So I will obtain conditions on the coefficients based on the location of roots. Are you able to understand? That is all about this topic. Got it? So let us look at the various cases involved so that you guys can do it step by step and you will catch it on your own. Okay? So let's move forward. I hope you guys are all fine with this. Now moving on, the first case is what is the condition associated on the coefficients such that both my roots are positive. So if my roots are positive, what are the various possibilities we can have? Yesterday we saw that, right? When we were discussing during the live session, we saw that if both the roots are to be positive, then there are totally 4 possibilities, 4 cases. Can you guys recollect that? I'm so happy that you guys remember it. Brilliant job, guys. You are all super amazing and super smart. If you work with the same excitement, same enthusiasm, you will reach great heights, I guarantee you. Okay? Very good, Madhavi, you are right. So the cases which you can have here, these 2 cases, are you guys correct? Are you guys right? If A is positive, what does that mean? That means it's an upward opening parabola, because for both the roots being positive, I can have whether an upward opening parabola or a downward opening parabola. In upward opening parabola itself, I have 2 cases. I can have 2 distinct roots or I can have 2 equal roots. Do you guys agree with me on that? Everybody? So that is exactly what I have done. And can you see both the roots are to the right side of the origin? So since both the roots are to the right side of the origin, can I say that both the roots are positive? Can I say that both the roots are positive? Are you able to understand that? Brilliant. So that is exactly what is happening here. But now, wait a minute. That is not what we are looking for. We are looking for conditions. So what is a condition I can apply? The first condition can I apply? The first condition can I apply? So this is for A less than 0. So if you guys can see here, A less than 0 also there are 2 cases. Because I never told you A is positive or A is negative. So we have to account for all possibilities. Are you all clear? So first of all, the first condition I will write is my discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. Do you all agree with me on that? Do you all agree with me on that? Is that clear to everyone? Why it should be greater than or equal to 0? Because first of all, roots should be there. I need to have roots. Otherwise, there's no point talking about this chapter, talking about this concept, isn't it? Because what is the topic? The topic name is location of roots. So I should have real roots to locate them. So first condition is my discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0, because roots should exist. They can be equal roots, they can be separated roots. Are you all clear? Very good guys. So the second condition is, do you all agree that my vertex, which is minus b by 2a, is also positive? Do you all agree that my vertex, which is minus b by 2a, is also positive? Are you all able to see that and observe it carefully? Yes? Very good. Yes, Valmik, please tell me what is your doubt. Okay? So the second condition is minus b by 2a is also positive. And the third condition, product of the roots will be also positive. Isn't that right? Hi Uday, welcome man, no problem. Hi Shalini, welcome guys. Are you all clear that if both the roots are positive, the product of their roots also will be positive? What is product of roots? Product of roots is equal to C by A, and that is also positive. So these are the 3 conditions for the first case. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys have understood it. Ashok Kumar, we will let you know. And Valmik, the first condition is discriminant greater than or equal to 0. That is because I want both the roots to be real. They can be equal, they can be distinct, doesn't matter. Okay? Valmik, I've explained it. Please listen or watch the recording again. So let's move forward, guys, to the next one. The conditions are given here. So the notes are super amazing. If you download this lecture session PDF, you will get all the conditions of location of roots in just one PDF. Isn't that awesome? So make sure you guys note it down. Now let's take one question based on this. I gave this question yesterday. Let me see how many of you remember that, because that question is not there right now. That video is not there. So let me see if you guys have done it, if you guys have understood it. Yes, Madhavi, I am doing it. So first case I have done. Now I am discussing a question based on first case. And guys, please understand, all the three conditions must be simultaneously satisfied. All the three conditions must be simultaneously satisfied. Are you all clear? Very good, Michael Arul. Very good. Michael is absolutely right. Achyut is right. Shashiram, very good. Sumant is asking, what happens when both the roots are equal? Both the roots are equal, it will be touching the x-axis, Sumant. I drew the graph now, it will be like this, Sumant. It will be like this, see? Quadratic will have two roots now, but there's only one point. So that means they are repeated roots. That is what we call as equal roots. Understood? So the answer, like you guys have said, is nothing but k is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Okay, let me come back to the question slide and I'll solve it for you. 1 second, guys. Okay, so shall we solve it? So we have to find the values of k for which this quadratic has both the roots as positive. Are you all able to remember what I told you in the starting of the session? So under this topic, they will ask you what are the conditions under which both the roots will be greater than something, less than something. Like that you will be asked questions. And that is what I'm going to do it here. Here I want both the roots as positive. So can I say first of all, my discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0? That is the first condition. So what is discriminant here? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac, well, that will be 16, is greater than or equal to 0. So k square should be greater than or equal to 16. So when you solve this, you will get k belonging to minus infinity comma minus 4 union 4 comma infinity, and 4 will be in square bracket, isn't it? Are you all clear? So this is the first condition. Yes, engage is very good, Achyut. The second condition is minus b by 2a should be greater than or equal to 0. Since both are positive, equality is not allowed, so it should be greater than 0. So what is minus b? Minus b is k by 2a. So 2 into 1 will be 2 only, and that should be greater than 0. So k should be greater than 0. So this is the condition for the second one. This is the condition for the first one. Now the third one, what is the condition? The third one is c by a should be positive, which is 4 by 1, which is always true. So this is true for all k belonging to real numbers. So I have to take the intersection of all three of them. Yes, Virsha, I taught this yesterday, but I'm going through it fast so that we all can be on the same page. Got it? So what is the intersection of all of them? Do you all agree the intersection is k belonging to 4 to infinity? Because here k is positive, so k positive means only this side will come. So that is why 4 to infinity is the answer. If you guys got it, then give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the chat if you are enjoying this particular question. Everybody, clear now? So shall we move forward? Yes? Yes, Omkar, we will talk about it. Focus on the session, guys. Got it? Hi Uday, no problem, man, welcome. So let's move forward to the next question which I have for you right over here. This is case 2. So case 2 is over here. What is case 2? Both the roots are negative. So previously we saw both the roots are positive. Now I have both the roots are negative. Rohan, when you take intersection, that is how it works. You have to revise inequalities. If you guys don't know inequalities, it is difficult. Don't worry about it. For now, if you are enjoying, that is all you need. You need to be excited about quadratic. You need to be excited about this particular topic. The rest, inequalities, log, we will slowly cover. Like I promised, I brought in log and I will bring in wavy curve method and the other topics as well. Okay. So now, if both the roots are negative, then both of them will be to the left side of origin. Can you see that? Are you all able to see that now? Can you see? Here you have the origin. Both the roots are to the left side. Here also you have origin. You have both the roots to the left side. Very good, Ashnu. Can you guys tell me what are the conditions now? So this is for A positive. So I can have it for A negative also. So for A negative, it will be downward opening parabola, because we have to account for all possibilities. Isn't that right? So accounting for all possibilities, I have A lesser than 0 or downward opening parabola, which will look like this. So can you guys sum up all the conditions for this? Can you please do it quickly? Sai Bhargav is absolutely right. Very good. Kirito is saying, sir, product of roots is less than 0. No, that's wrong. If both the roots are negative, product of roots will be positive, because negative into negative is positive, na? Now Kirito is right. Very good, very good. So do you all agree with that? Achyut, D is greater than or equal to 0, Achyut. So how many of you agree with this? Discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. Because I need to have real roots, man. If I don't have real roots, how can I even teach you this topic? So that is why discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. First condition. Now second condition is, where is the vertex? Look at the vertex, everybody. Where is the vertex? Is it to the left of origin or is it to the right of origin? Can you all tell me quickly, quickly? I want some answers in the chat right now. Where is the vertex with respect to the origin? Yes? It is to the left. So vertex is negative. Vertex is negative. It is lesser than 0. That is the second condition. Are you all agreeing with me? Everybody is getting it? Cool. So shall I give you the third condition? The third condition also you only told. What is the third condition? The third condition is product of the roots is positive. Why is it positive? Because negative into negative will be positive. Negative into negative will be positive. So for first case also, second case also, product of roots is positive. So what is the only condition which is changing for the first case and second case? It is this one. This makes the difference. This makes the difference. Because if you think about what we did 5 minutes back, first condition same, third condition same, then many of you will be wondering, sir, then what is the difference, sir? Why are you teaching us two cases? Because vertex is different, bhaiya. Got it? Are you all able to understand now? Very good, guys. Amazing. I hope everybody liked it. Now let's move forward to the next case, a very, very interesting one, because now we are going to next level. Slowly I'm increasing the level. I hope you guys enjoy this. The next one is if both the roots are of opposite sign. But before that, guys, I gave you the condition, so please note it down. It will be available in the session PDF, so you guys can have fun. You can download it. They're all so beautifully designed with a lot of love. So make sure you download it, save it as a PDF. It is superb material. Okay. So let's move forward. The third case. What is the third case? Yes, Vamsi. It will be useful for 11th as well as 12th students. The third case is, I'm mixing first and second. One root is positive, one root is negative. Then what will we do? Can you guys tell me? What will be the condition? Do you agree that it will look like this? There is only one case. Can we have equal roots here? Can we have equal roots here? Tell me yes or no. Can we have the condition for equal roots here? Can we have the condition for equal roots here? No. No. How can you have equal roots, man? I want one positive, one negative. One positive, one negative means how can I have equal roots? Think about it. Everybody. Did you get it? So when I say one root is positive, one root is negative, that time itself I'm saying they are different. They are different, na? So how can they be equal? So that is why we have only two cases, only two diagrams. one for A positive, one for A negative. A positive means upward opening parabola. A negative means downward opening parabola. Are you all clear now? Exactly. Brilliant, guys. I'm happy that you are all enjoying. So as I said, you see one is to the left and one is to the right of origin. Exactly. They are not equal in magnitude. No. I didn't say that. AS pi, I didn't say that they are equal in magnitude. We will come to that later. For now, let's just say that they are of opposite signs. So what are the conditions I can say? Very good, Kirito. Kirito is right. How many of you agree with Kirito's answer? The product of the roots is negative. Is it right? The product of the roots is negative. Is it right or wrong? Absolutely. Because one is positive, one is negative. So plus into minus will be minus. So we know that the product of the root is going to be negative. Okay. One second. I have to be very careful in choosing this. Okay. Okay. Well, however careful I am, it changes. It's like, my God. Yes, finally. Here we go. So product of roots is what? C by A is negative. That is the first condition. And second condition is discriminant should be positive because I want real and distinct roots. I want real and distinct roots. Are you all clear with it? Did you guys like it? Were you able to derive it on your own? That is what I want. Because teaching is not just about me doing what I love. It is also inspiring you guys to be able to derive it. I hope you guys were able to do it. Amazing, guys. That is exactly what we want. We want to enthuse you so that you will do it on your own. Okay? Brilliant job, guys. Now, someone is asking, Rohan is asking a very good question. Sir, what about minus b by 2a? What about the vertex? I cannot say anything. Why I cannot say anything? Because I don't know which root is greater, man. So we can't say anything. We can't comment on the vertex. Just leave it. These two conditions are enough. These two conditions are enough. Because guys, the vertex can be either on the right or to the left of origin. We cannot say. That is why I have given you two cases. Can you see that? So here the vertex is to the right. Here the vertex is to the left. You cannot say. You cannot say. So that is why I don't put a condition on the vertex. Is that clear? Very good question, Rohan. Hats off. Brilliant, brilliant. That shows you are following carefully. Superb. Okay? Exactly. It can be anything, Mr. Boy. You are right. Exactly, exactly. So let me ask you one good question here. If they say the roots are of equal magnitude, but of opposite sign, then where will the vertex be? If they give in the question, the roots are of equal magnitude, but opposite sign, then where will be the root? Can you all think about it and tell me? Very good, very good. On the y-axis, current is on the dot right. It will be on the y-axis. Because one root will be minus of something, one root will be plus of the same thing. So it will be symmetric about the y-axis. It will be symmetric about the y-axis. So someone is asking why? Because if you say one root is here, other root is equally placed over here. So this is plus, let's say this is minus alpha and this is plus alpha. What is sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is minus b by a, which will be minus alpha plus alpha, which will be 0. So can I say minus b by a is 0? So minus b by 2a is also 0. If minus b by 2a is 0, the x coordinate of the vertex is 0, which means the vertex will lie on the y-axis. Brilliant. Did you guys like it? Exactly, Achyut, you're right. Did you all understand it now? Brilliant, na? So this is the understanding I want each and every one of you to have. I hope you guys are getting better at quadratic. We will do it together. Now moving on, guys, let's take a question based on this. I want to test you all. So the condition, like I said, I've given it for every case so that you guys need not write too much. Don't waste time. You just download the session PDF, spread it across to everybody, and make this channel a big family. Okay? So guys, never ever forget to share, subscribe, and also like this channel video. I'm sure you guys are all having a brilliant blast of a time with Wasim sir, with Shreyas sir. We will continue to have a great time, but let's make this family big, like I said. Okay? So moving on. This is a question for you. Please try it out, everybody. Finally, the order not to write. Kirito is happy. Brilliant. So guys, keep going. Everybody try to answer this question. So slowly we are raising the level. Stay till the end because the end is epic. The end is epic. So the climax is also very strong. So please wait and watch the climax and then go. Okay? Thank you, Om. So now, what is the way you do this question? So this is based on case 3. Are you all able to relate it to cases now? Is it based on case 3? Yes or no? It is based on case 3, right? So now, case 3 says there are 2 conditions. What are those 2 conditions? First, my discriminant should be positive. Second, my product of roots, which is C by A, should also be positive or negative? It should be negative. Okay. So the product of roots should be negative because one is positive, one is negative. So shall I solve it? Do you all want to try it with me? Are you all having a paper and pen with you? Everybody? So let's do this together. Okay. Let's solve it together. We will have a great time because guys, in this question, proving that discriminant is greater than 0 is very interesting. I don't know whether you know it or not. So listen carefully. Okay. So the discriminant greater than 0, na, the proof is very brilliant. Very brilliant. It is not easy. So please pay attention. I want you guys to pay attention to me. The answer is A, I think. The answer is A. It is not C. So who is that? Sashiram. Very good, Sashiram. Absolutely right. So let's do this question. First condition is what? The product of roots C by A is less than 0. So what is C? C is K plus 5. K plus 5 divided by A. A is 1. So that is less than 0. So can I say K is less than minus 5? Directly got it. Directly got it. But wait a minute. You can't jump. You cannot jump because there will be one trap option sitting for you in the options. So don't be excited because you still did not do the second condition. Without doing the second condition, don't jump around. So what is the second condition? Second condition is D greater than 0 because I want to have real roots. Okay. So shall we do this? This is going to be a tricky one. Let me show you how it is done. So this will be B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. So can I cancel 4 and 4? Because right side is anyway 0. Till here everybody understood. Till here are everybody comfortable? Are all of you on top of your confidence level? That is important. Yes, Kirito, they use this in other chapters as well. So it is important. Okay. So now when I open this square, what will I get? K square plus 1 minus 2k minus k minus 5 is greater than 0. So what will I have here? I will have k square minus 3k minus 4 is greater than 0. Are you all clear with it? Is that correct, guys? Can you please check it? Can you please check it? Now, this is always true for all real values of k. Can you tell me why? This is true for all values of k. Can you tell me why? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is it correct, guys? Did I solve it right? B square minus 4 A into C. Yes? Can we check it? Is it true for all real values of k? No? So let's solve it then. How do you solve it? So let's factorize it, guys. How do you factorize it? Any idea? So let's factorize it. If I factorize it, I will get k minus 4 into k plus 1 is greater than 0. So can I say k should be greater than 4 or k should be less than minus 1? So if I combine the solutions, these two, then this is the answer. I hope you guys got it. So this is why I said it's important to check for both the conditions. So suppose, let's say you solved first one and you got excited and you marked the option. Maybe in this question you would have got it correct. But the second one is also important, because sometimes you might get a different condition and that might influence the answer. Are you able to follow? So this part solving, some of you may not be able to follow because you don't know wavy curve. Don't worry about it. Like I said, I will cover everything in detail. Everything cannot be done in 40 minutes, guys. Okay. So you have to understand that. I hope everybody is clear. Aditi, this is the wavy curve method. It will take some time. I will teach you separately. What I did here to here and here to here is the wavy curve method. W-A-V-Y, wavy curve method. So that is important. You guys can maybe check it out later. I will teach you. Give me some time. Okay. Give me some time. Thank you, Shalini. Hi, Navami, Vijay, and welcome, man. No problem. So are you all ready? Let's go forward to the next one. Shall we move forward to the next question? Yes. Exactly, Om. This is splitting of middle term, but solving this inequality is wavy curve. So from here to here, it is factorizing a quadratic, but from here to here, it is wavy curve. These two, na? These two I got by wavy curve, which I will teach you in some time. Don't worry. We will become masters. Whatever I know, you will know. No, Madhavi, I solved it. I solved it. It is true only for these values of k. I solved the inequality. Exactly a as pi. That is what I have written here. Minus infinity to minus 1. Union 4 to infinity. And if I take intersection with the first case also, I will get this as the answer. So you are all right. Absolutely correct. Let's move forward and do this together, guys. Let's go ahead. Moving on to the next case, which is, okay, I've given you the solutions as well. So the next case is both the roots exceeding k. Yes, Achyut, please tell me what is your doubt. Please tell me what is your doubt. Just one, that is the common solution. That is the common intersection of all the answers. Now coming here, if both the roots are more than k, let us say k is a real number. K is any number, whatever you feel like. Okay? Whatever you feel like. How k is less than 1? That is coming from wavy curve, Achyut. I told you I will teach you later. It comes from wavy curve. Okay? We will do it, don't worry. So now, let me explain this. So, previously we saw with respect to origin. Don't you think so? Case 1, case 2, case 3 were all with respect to origin. I did greater than 0, less than 0, one root positive, one root negative. But now I'm going to teach you with respect to anything. Because we want to learn up to the JEE advanced level. We can't be just happy with origin. Na? We need to be ready for any general case. So that is what you will be able to do after this particular concept. Okay, let's do this. What do we have? If both the roots are exceeding k. Hi Saurav, welcome man. Very good evening. So there is some real number k. As you guys can see. Can you see both the roots are above k? Both the roots are to the right side of k. Are you able to see that? Both the roots are to the right side. So I can have real and distinct roots, or I can have real and equal roots. And this is for a less than 0. You can also have for a greater than 0. You can also have for a greater than 0. Isn't that right? So now can you guys form the condition? Can you put me in the chat? Can you put the answers in the chat? Let's see. I want to hear from your side what is the condition. Vertex is greater than 0? No. What are you saying? No. Because here there is no origin, Madhavi. There is no origin. Here there is only k. So Shashiram, brilliant Shashiram. You nailed it. You nailed it. Kirito is also right. Kirito is also right. Brilliant job. Brilliant. Absolutely correct. So the first condition is, which you all forgot, D greater than or equal to 0. Guys, come on. Without roots, you can't do anything. First of all, roots, let it be there, na? So that is why I put D is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? So that the roots are there. The roots are there. Got it? The second one is brilliant. The vertex will be greater than K. Because you see the vertex, it's above K. You see the vertex, it's above K. So the vertex is always to the right side of K. The vertex is always to the right side of K. So the vertex is greater than K. Did you all understand that? Are you all able to follow it? Yes? Are you all able to grasp it now? Very good, Anshur. Anshnur, very good. That's absolutely right. Is there any other condition? We can say that. See, here, can I say this is the functional value at K? Do you all agree? And here, A is positive. So, can I say the third condition as A into f of K is positive? Do you all agree? A into f of K. Guys, here product of roots will not come. Sai Reddy, we don't know where the roots are. So don't bring in product of roots. It's of no use. Product of roots only when you have, with respect to origin, both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative. In that case, product of roots makes sense, but not here. Got it? So here, A is positive because the graph is upward opening, and this is the functional value at K. So f of K is also positive because it's above the x-axis. So can I say A into f of K is positive? But wait a minute, you can't be happy about it. You can't be happy about it because I didn't show you the next graph. Sir, this is also under the same case. What you said, A into f of K, will it obey this? Will it obey this? Let's have a look. So here A is negative. And do you think this is f of K? So don't you think f of K is negative? Yes. So can I say A into f of K is again positive? So this is the third condition because it satisfies both the previous slide as well as this slide. Are you all able to understand that? The product will be positive. Amazing, na? Amazing. Very good, guys. Amazing. I hope you guys got it. Yes, f of K can be negative. But Kirito, when I multiply with A, it becomes positive. So it satisfies everything. Got it? Thank you, Angelo. Madhavi, let me repeat it. Listen carefully. So here is the first case where A is positive. So if you have a look at this, the functional value at K, which is f of K, is positive, Madhavi, because it's above the x-axis. So here A is positive. That is the case. Look at this. A is positive. And f of K is also positive. So can I say A f of K is positive for this case itself? When I say for this case itself, you should immediately be careful, because you should tell me, sir, these two diagrams are not the only diagrams for this case. Can you prove it with respect to these two diagrams also? Because they are also part of this case only. So let me show it to you then. So what is A here? A is negative, and we have f of K to be also negative. So this is f of K now, Madhavi. So A is negative, f of K is negative. So the product A f of K is again positive. So this is a good condition. This is a good condition. Did you all like it? Amazing. Thank you, Ajay. Very good, Madhavi. Absolutely. That's right. Negative into negative is positive. So can we take one question? Quickly, guys. We are running out of time. We have to be fast. What is K? K is a number which they will specify in the question. It is any real number. Okay? Yes. Thank you, guys. So let's move forward to the conditions. So these are the conditions which are made by us to you guys so that you can have a great time when you revise it. It is just one PDF, all done. Okay? So here we go. The question for all of you, please do it. It's a very, very good question. I will give you one minute for you. I will give you exactly 1 minute. Please do it and let me know, guys. All of you. Hi, Michael. Thank you, man. This is a very important session. That is why I want to be here live. Even though yesterday we got affected because of power cut, I'm here teaching the same thing because you have to learn this. This is important. Yes, before the Big Bang is reminding me, guys, you will get the flash extracts tomorrow. Another important announcement. Because the chapter is getting over now. You will get the flash extracts, the juiced out notes for you will be present in the channel tomorrow. Okay? So definitely look out for it. It will be useful. It comes from our years of experience. It will be brilliant resource for you. So B is the answer. C is the answer. B is the answer. You know what? The answer is very surprising and funny. What is the answer? The answer is null set. There is no such possible value of A for which this happens. The answer is there is no such value of A for which this happens. So now everybody will be interested. Sir, how, sir? Can you please teach us? Like, why is the answer option D? Is there no such value for which you will have both the roots greater than 3? So let's see. So guys, do you realize that 3 is our K? Do you guys realize that when you are mapping it to the previous case? Do you all realize that when you are mapping it to the previous case, your K is nothing but 3? Because Angelo, I am solving it right now. I am using case 3, wherein both our quadratic roots are greater than K. Here it is greater than 3. So K is nothing but 3. Got it? So Kushi, I am just using case 3. That is why. Okay. So first condition is, do you all agree that my discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0? Do you all agree with me on that? That is my first condition. Got it? So now what is discriminant? Can you help me? It will be 4a square b square minus 4ac, which is a square plus a minus 3. And that is greater than or equal to 0. So now I can remove the 4 because right side is 0 anyway. Now it will be a square minus a plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So a square cancel. I will get a less than or equal to 3. Did you all understand this? First one. This is the first case. Everybody got it? Now what is the second condition? The second condition is my vertex minus b by 2a should be greater than 3. Because if both the roots are greater than 3, the vertex also should be greater than 3. Are you all able to follow that? Are you all able to follow that? Yes? Brilliant. So now what is minus b? It will be minus of minus 2a divided by 2 into 1 is greater than 3, which means a is greater than 3. What a joke. Because a greater than 3 is my second condition. My first condition is a less than or equal to 3. How can they ever meet? Not possible. That's it, over. Don't go for third condition. Because anyway you take intersection now. Why are you going for the third condition? Don't waste your time. If you have lots of time, please go for it. But in an exam, try to stop here. Got it? So the answer is null set because there is no intersection between these two. Did you guys get it? Everybody? Amazing, na? Perfect. So that is how you solve it. I hope you guys liked it. Now, coming to the next case. The next case is also super important. I hope everybody is clear. If you guys got it, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo in the chat so that I will know that everybody is super high on confidence and the Josh is always high in this class at VEnthuse. Okay? Brilliant people, brilliant. So let's move forward to the next case. We did both the roots greater than k. Now both the roots are less than k. So only one condition will change. What is that? Only one condition will change. What is that? Think about it and answer. Think about it and answer. What is the only condition that will change? The third condition. Yes, Deepak, I will explain it here. Don't worry. I will explain it here. So here, first of all, do you all agree that discriminant must be greater than or equal to 0? Because if this topic is taught to you, pakka, you should have real roots. And here, equal roots is possible. Because I can have k over here and I can have two equal roots which are lesser than that. So d is greater than or equal to 0. So my d is greater than or equal to 0. Did you all get the first case? The second case, the second condition is my vertex is less than k. Because if both the roots are lesser than k, then pakka my vertex will also be lesser than k. If both the roots are lesser than k, then pakka my vertex will be lesser than k, guys, obviously. So everybody got it right. I didn't do anything. You guys have got it. That is exactly what I wanted. Super smart you guys are. And I'm telling you, if you work hard, you will reach great heights. I'm guaranteedly telling you. Okay, so let's keep this going. So everybody got this? So what is the third condition? The third condition is a f of k is greater than 0. This is what some of you have a doubt in. I will explain it. So first condition, Ashnur, you want the roots to be real, na? That is why it comes, Ashnur. Roots are real. So that is why the first condition comes. It comes because the roots have to be real. Now only then you will have roots on the x-axis. Only then you will have these points. So that is why my d should be greater than or equal to 0. Why equal to 0? Because I can have equal roots. I can have equal roots. Got it, Ashnur? Second condition. Second condition is the vertex. Vertex means this point, psi reddy. So the vertex is nothing but this point, na? Can you see this point is left side of k? Because both the roots are lesser than k, this vertex is to the left side. So can I say minus b by 2a is lesser than k? That's exactly what I did. And same way here also you see the vertex is to the left side of k. So I can say that the vertex is less than k. So that leads to this condition. Are you able to understand? That's it. The third condition is some of your doubt. I explained it last time also. Here also I will explain it correctly. Please listen carefully, guys. The third condition. So here, if you see this point, y value is called as f of k. And since it is above the x-axis, can I say this is positive? And we know this is the condition for a positive. So can I say, since it's upward opening parabola, a is positive. So can I say a into f of k is positive? That's exactly what I did. That's exactly what I did. Got it? But now you should not be happy. You should ask me, sir, this is just a positive. It should satisfy a negative also, no? Explain here also then. Here a is less than 0 because it's downward opening. So a is negative. So will that condition a f of k apply here? Will that apply here? Yes, because here functional value f of k is negative. So this negative into a negative, negative into negative will make it positive, and that is how it happens. Got it? Never ever forget this, okay? Never ever forget this. I hope everybody is clear with it. So let's move to a question, guys. Shall we? So let's move forward and take a question. So the final conditions is given here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely Matepalli, Srinu, we will do. Tomorrow is advanced problem solving. So if you are part of this channel, if you like it and if you subscribe to it, please attend tomorrow, because tomorrow is a brilliant class on advanced problem solving. So noted the conditions. Shall we go to a question? Here we go. Here is the question. Please solve it. Here there is no null set. Don't worry. It is one option given over here. Try to solve it. Which chapter tomorrow advanced problem? Quadratic equations fully. Karan Das. So tomorrow we will be doing full quadratic equation from A to Z. Advanced problem solving. It will be amazing. Hi Beena Babu, welcome. We are happy to have you here. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Okay. Very good, very good. In what timing? Same time, Afrin, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the evening is my time. So whenever you feel like seeing me, you can come to the channel at 4 o'clock. I will be teaching any other topic here at VNTUs. Okay? 4 o'clock, Sriram. 4 o'clock. The next chapter is complex number, Ashok. Definitely. So Omkar is saying B. Let us check what is the answer. Shall we get started, guys? Shall we get started? So the answer is right. Omkar. Brilliant man. Omkar has killed it. So it is option B, which is in fact the right answer. Very good, Achyut. Very good. Who is that? I think someone else also answered. I think Sonu. Yeah, Sonu is also right. Good job. Very good, guys. So how do we solve it? Let's get started. So let's get started. If both the roots are less than 5, can I say the first condition is discriminant greater than or equal to 0. So what will that give me? B square minus 4AC is greater than or equal to 0. So I will get 4k square cancelled. So 4 and 4 we can cancel first of all. So I will be left out with minus k plus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. So k is less than or equal to 5. Do you all agree? Are you all able to follow this? Yes or no? Everybody, this is a very simple D greater than or equal to solving. Hi Suhas, welcome man, no problem. Let's have fun from now to the end. Okay, but please watch the replay because we did super amazing content today. Okay, it will definitely benefit you, so go through it later on. Everybody clear with this? The D greater than 0 for having real roots. So now the second condition is my minus B by 2A is less than 5. Are you all clear? Because if both the roots are less than 5, then the vertex will also be lesser than 5. If both the roots are lesser than 5, then the vertex will also be lesser than 5. Absolutely. So what do we have here? Minus of minus 2k by 2 into 1 is less than 5. So I will get k is less than 5. So we got two conditions. What is the last one? The last one is a f of k should be lesser than or greater than. It should be greater than 0. Do you guys remember? Yes? Very good. Thank you, Beena. That is amazing. I'm glad you are enjoying. So this will mean a is 1. So 1 into f of 5. So k is 5 here, right? Because look at this. They asked 5. So what is f of 5? F of 5 is 25 minus 10k plus k square plus k minus 5. This should be greater than 0. That's it. Solve it. What will you get? You will get k square minus 9k plus 20 is greater than 0. So you will get k minus 5 into k minus 4 is greater than 0. Solve with wavy curve. You will get k belonging to minus infinity to 4 union 5 to infinity. So when you take the common solution, don't you guys agree that this will be your common solution? Don't you all agree with me on that? Yes? Everybody? Karan Das is saying no sir. So first of all, let me repeat it again. So first condition, we got k less than or equal to 5. Second, this is from discriminant. Second condition, we got k less than 5. This is from vertex condition. And the third condition is a f of k is positive, which means a is 1, a is 1 over here, and f of k is 5 because k is given to be 5 in the question, and that is positive. So what is f of 5? Put 5 in the place of x. Yes, Madhavi, we have to check all three conditions. I told you we have to check all three conditions. Don't forget that. Okay, so now f of 5 is what? F of 5 is 25 minus 10k plus k square plus k minus 5 is greater than 0. Do you all agree with me on that? So can I say it is k square minus 9k plus 20 is greater than 0? Yes, exactly. For the third case, you need to know wavy curve, because to solve this, first of all, can I factorize it as k minus 4 into k minus 5 is greater than 0? If you did till here, you are all great. If you did till here, you are great, because after this, you have to use wavy curve. Hi Akanksha, welcome. So after this, you need to use wavy curve. So you will get k belonging to minus infinity comma 4 union 5 comma infinity. So when you take intersection of all the three, you will get this to be the answer, which is option B. So if you don't know wavy curve, don't worry. Like I said, I will teach you. Everything cannot be done in one day. You know the proverb, Rome was not built in one day. Rome was not built in one day. So we will take time, but we will reach great heights together. I like consistency more. Doing lot of exercise on one day, next day you will sleep full day, isn't it? I have done that myself. Suddenly I'll get excited to go to gym. I will go to a gym, do lot of exercises. I'll feel like I'm the next bodybuilder of India, and then I'll come back home and I'll sleep. So that is not how it works. You have to be consistent, na? It requires a lot of effort. Clear? So we will do the wavy curve method a bit later. Right now, this is more than enough. Got it? Hi Sriram, welcome man. In which chapter do we have wavy curve? Wavy curve we will have only in quadratic only. It comes in the topic called as inequalities. Okay? I did yesterday night full night study. Now today fully sleeping. Great, great. Okay. Please show the number line for conditions. So these are the conditions. I hope this is what you're looking for. I hope everybody got it. Okay? Yes, Afrin. Afrin, if you have any doubt, let me know. I will try to help you out so that you are totally clear with what we studied today. Everybody got it? Are you all ready? So shall we move forward? Can you guys take down one homework question for the day? And then with that, we will conclude our session. So the homework question is based on the last condition which you guys will derive and try it on your own. So this is the last condition which is a homework for you. Okay? I want everybody to do it on your own and then try it out. Chemistry wala, tell me man, what happened? If you have any doubt, let us know. I will try and help you out. Guys, this is the homework. The last case. What is that? K lies in between the roots. In between the roots. We did both the roots greater than K. We did both the roots less than K. But now you guys are going to try K lying in between the roots. Okay? Very good, very good. Ashnur, yes. You will have the drill questions also. And Uday is asking K1 and K2, Uday. With this knowledge, you will be able to follow, try to solve it, and let me know if you have doubts. You know how to reach out to me on Instagram. I will clear all your doubts over there. Definitely, Mr. Boy. So inequalities, we will study about wavy curve slightly later, not right now. VK Gamer, this is an English channel, man. That's why. Where's the question? The question is over here. You will have to solve this question, but before that, you will learn this. Very good. Who is that? Sashi Ram is brilliant, man. He got the condition on his own. Very, very good. Yes, chemistry wala. Tomorrow we will do previous year's questions, okay? Definitely we will do. Okay? Very good, very good. Sashi Ram, brilliant, man. I like the way you got it. Brilliant. That shows you understood it carefully. Okay? Sir, I speak English, eat English, drink English and sleep English. Great, man. And we need people like you for our channel. Okay, so let's conclude our session, guys. You can take it as a homework, do it. And let me know the answer at the end of the session. Comment it down below if you guys enjoyed it. If you want anything from me, reach out to me at Instagram. I reply to all your doubts. So much love I've been receiving there in Instagram. So many people message. And definitely we will make sure we reach out to everybody. Okay? Say something interesting. Today I was preparing for you guys, man. I was trying to make the slides go in such a way that everybody will follow and you guys will have an amazing time with us. And I hope I did that. You let me know in the comments how you enjoyed it, and you let me know the answer for the previous question, this one, okay? So guys, this is the schedule for maths. Tomorrow is a big day for us. Very, very big day, because we will be discussing advanced level problems on quadratic equations, okay? Yes, Madhavi, today's session was easy. Then that's brilliant, because the topic was a good one, Madhavi. It is like an advanced level topic. So if you want to stay connected with us, do like the Telegram page, go and join it so that we can be more closer. Any important information, you will be informed here carefully first. Rishi, what should I say, man? You tell me. And guys, I cannot emphasize this more. Please like it right now and share to maximum people, all your friends, so that everybody can come and we'll have a great big family. Thank you, Deepak sir. So nice to see all of you. I read all your comments, man. So good it was. It's like, you know, I work hard the entire day. When I go back night, when I read those chats, it's like so encouraging. It makes me want to do a lot more the next day. Okay? I'm sure you guys are also having fun. So definitely spread the love, subscribe to our channel, and we will meet again tomorrow with advanced level problem solving. Rishi, onnume pannala man. Inniki I was preparing for your session. That's it. Thank you, Madhavi. So yeah, guys, with that, we will conclude. All the very best. Stay safe, guys. Be happy always. Be cheerful and be excited about studying. Be enthused. Okay? Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next one.